A match between Serena Williams and Coco Gauff may forever live in the dreams of tennis fans. While speaking to reporters at Tribeca Festival premiere of her docuseries in the arena, Serena Williams, the 42-year-old tennis legend, confessed that she doesn't know if she will ever play against Gauff. "I mean, let me ask my niece." She quips at the Thursday, June 13th event. The retired athlete says that while her competitive craving still exists, she's focused on her outside ventures, including being a parent to daughters Adira, born in August 2023, and Olympia, 6 years old, with her husband, Alexis Ohanian.
Quarterback. I have a great arm. I was serving at 128 at my highest. I got 128. I never could get 130, but I got to 128. I can throw a ball really far. I've thrown with Peyton, I've thrown with a lot of people, and they all look at me like, whoa, where'd you get that from? So my dad used to actually make us throw footballs when we were younger so we could have really good serves. So that's what I always did. We would just have this craziest, greatest, not greatest, but a really good spiral. Also throw a baseball really good because my dad also had us throw baseballs so we could have he always said, I want you to throw really strong. And so, yeah, so I would do American football and I would love to be in the locker rooms.
Scandal.
Just saying.
Scandal at the Tribeca Film Festival. No, I would you play a different sport. I bet you would absolutely embarrass those people.
And how groundbreaking. Groundbreaking would that be?
Would be she did it.
Oh,
she finally
I hate to get
did it.
sacked.
Can't believe you. You about to get downgraded from Sweetie Pie. Can I ask you another question? Interactions with people and how honest you are about all of it makes me think that you've spent a long time in therapy. Is that true?
I have actually. Yeah, although I missed my session today.
Congratulations on making the Tribeca Film Festival. Congratulations on this shit stuff. We love you so much. In the arena.